Hello everyone, this is Ian Trader. This is quick Shiba Inu update. I just covered Dogecoin and now I'm gonna cover Shiba Inu. It's gonna be a really quick video. So guys, look, I predicted perfectly that support level right here because I just put the Fibonacci retracement levels. But when I opened that chart, that was everything that I saw, and I put it previously. And look guys, like we perfectly tapped that level. It's crazy. I'm really happy about that. Like I predicted it perfectly. And if you had your limit order on Bybit and any other exchange, you would have been up like 30% in that move. So I've been telling you guys how important is setting up limit order. If you need any help, you can like text me on Telegram or Instagram. The links are in the description. I can help you with that. But what you basically do, you just go to for example, Bybit. There is a link in the description below, and you just search for Shiba Inu spot USDT, and everything you have to do is just put this price. When I put that level on a chart, I would probably get into what, like 1900 like satoshis or something like that. So what do you do? On the right side, order price, you just put 19, and order value, like whatever you play with, let's just put $1,000. Of course, this is not financial advice. This is just purely for information purposes and entertainment. This is just my personal opinion on the market. But how you do it is just put the price, how much you want to order, and just click buy. And it's not gonna buy for you immediately. It only is gonna buy it for you using your USDT when the price is gonna reach that level of 1900 satoshis, like here. If that term is gonna be accomplished, like it's gonna automatically buy it for you. And when it bounces back, you're gonna have, if you put like $10,000 here, you would have had like 13 right now without even doing anything. So it just happened. So today I put Fibonacci retracement level on the chart. So previously everything that I saw was that support that I put here. Why? Because we have strong resistance right here and we have strong support right here that we broke. So that was historically really important level for me. And when we go down with price, it's usually really good area to have your limit order and have your purchases. And I told you guys a little bit of above because there are a lot of experienced traders like setting up their orders here. So it's better to not be that greedy and put your order a little bit higher, so you make sure that order gets caught, okay, gets filled. So, but if Bitcoin, everything is up to Bitcoin, what Bitcoin is gonna do after halving. Because if we're gonna have some shakeout, I think we can retest this level or even get lower into this level of 1500. So your next limit order would be around 1500 right here. Even I would put like 16. So what you do is just put 16 here basically, and whatever you want to get it for. And I would just increase the amount. The lower we get, the higher amount. Because look guys, you make money by getting the projects or stocks or whatever at the lowest points. The lower you get it, the more you make. You don't make money on the way up, you make money on the way down. And if you change that mindset, and if you're not scared, if you're not emotional when things go bad, and you're actually happy, like experienced traders, experienced investors, they're happy when things go down because that creates huge opportunity. Because look guys, we went 58% down, and how much you have to make to get it back? If you lose 50%, you have to make on the way back, it's 150. Do you understand the difference? 58 down, 140 and 150 up. So 50% down is always 100% up. If you lose 50%, you have to make 100% to get it back. But if you take profits gradually by 10%, 20%, when you take it off the table and you have some stable coins and you have some cash, you can use it when we go down. And if we bounce back, you can make easily 100%, okay? Or even you can feel safer and just take profits at 50% and make a swing trade. So this is what I'm teaching on this channel, like swing trading all the time. There's so many opportunities all the time. And look guys, if we top this level of what I was talking about, like 1600, if we go back to like local top, it's 185% of profit. Are you kidding me? And if we go to this moving average right here, which I think would be the last level for me of to purchase, would be this level, 1200 right here, let's say. So if we top to like 1200, let's say we go to the local top, only local top here would give us 275% of profit, and all-time high would give us 600%. So guys, if you buy at the top here, at the local top here, and we go to all-time high, that's only 91% of profit only. If you go from the support that I drew on the chart, the recent one, that's 371%. That's such a huge difference. Like buying it here will make you hundreds of profit more than buying it at the top. Like it's that simple, but so many people don't understand that. Okay, so be happy when things go down. Just be thankful, happy. Like imagine you go to the store and you see like minus 50% for your favorite item. What would you do? You'd be like, I want to get it, like I want to get more. Okay, it's such a great opportunity. But when people look at the stock market or crypto or whatever, they see me at minus 50% and are like, oh my gosh, they're panicking. Why would you panic? Just be thankful and like, thank you. Discount, like treat it as a discount, because it's a great opportunity in my opinion. And the lower we get, the better. Of course, like if we are in the bull market, but like we're gonna get to that later, and we're gonna get to that in this channel. Everything depends on the Bitcoin, pretty much. If Bitcoin's bullish, if Bitcoin's gonna go sideways or continue growing, then altcoin's gonna continue pumping because of Bitcoin dominance is growing. As I told you guys, I told you in the previous video that I predicted that perfectly. Look guys, I predicted 57 right here and a little tracement. So we actually tapped that level and we bounced back perfectly. Look, we tapped 57 and bounced back, and this is exactly what I drew like weeks ago on this chart. So I'm really happy we broke this ascending triangle. And I told you guys from 57 to 62 will be the top. Somewhere here will form a local top, and right now is a great chance to like slowly, gradually accumulating some undervalued altcoins. For example, like Shiba Inu, right? But as we go higher into this order box, the more altcoins you could accumulate. Because in my opinion, we're gonna form another channel. You see this channel over here? I'm gonna show you. Let's just remove RSI. Okay, that was a perfect channel. You buy altcoins here at the tops right here, and you sell it here into Bitcoin. You buy Bitcoin here. So, but we broke that channel. We broke it upwards. We retested it here, and I think we're gonna form this kind of channel right here. For now, if we break this down, that's gonna mean really scary alt season. But buying altcoins will happen here, and selling altcoins will happen like at this support over here, in my opinion. But we'll see what's gonna happen. Like as we grow up, I think the exposure to altcoins or like Shiba Inu should be higher, a little higher, like 5%, 10% more. Every percent we go up, like a little bit more of Shiba Inu, and we can even see it on this chart that I showed you in the previous video. I told you guys we're gonna go down here, and we did into Bitcoin season. I remind you guys, in the Bitcoin season here we accumulate altcoins, and the altcoin season here we sell altcoins into Bitcoin. We accumulate Bitcoin. Okay, it's as simple as that. And yeah, fear and greed index, I told you guys we will go left, or we've been going left since 78. I was telling you we are we've seen too much extreme grade, too much green for too long, and this needs some reset button. So there's still a long way on the left side. We need to see fear or extreme fear. Even after this correction, we haven't seen like much fear, right? So imagine that happens, we can see even better prices for Shiba Inu to accumulate, like even lower prices. But we'll see what happens. We can have another leg up in a bull market, and then have another correction that will put fear or extreme fear, but with the same levels of prices, if you know what I mean. All right, Shiba Inu that dropped a little bit. I think we were higher. I think we were at number 10 recently, so that's good too, that like Shiba Inu is like getting more undervalued. 13, if we 10x 130, we would go on the third place behind Ethereum, 130 billion of market cap. So is 10x possible? Like if you believe Shiba Inu is going to be in the third place right now, but you have to remember that the whole market can double or triple. So I'm just saying now, like if Shiba Inu were to explode like right now with the whole market going sideways, that would mean we would go to number 3, and Tether would be number 4 right now. So is that possible? Like you have to answer yourself that question, because it's really difficult to predict which coins are gonna like explode and be the top, because there's hundreds of crypto and there's just a few spots here. So you have to be lucky picking the winner. It could be Dogecoin, it could be Dogecoin, it could be Shiba Inu, it could be Polkadot. Like we never know like what the whales are gonna decide to pump. So and then the public is gonna follow. So I think you can make a lot with swing trading, with taking profits and buying back, rather than just waiting for Shiba Inu to make 10x, 20x. Like you have to be active. You have to have your eyes open, and you have to watch the Bitcoin dominance chart and see what's going on there. And you can make as much money as 10x, 20x, 100x by just gradually taking profits and swing trading. And this is what I'm teaching on this channel. Alright guys, this is everything for today's video. I hope you like it. If you did, if you appreciated this video, I would really appreciate if you could subscribe to this channel for future updates, because I'm gonna cover those coins. I'm gonna cover Shiba, I'm gonna cover Dogecoin in the future. So you will know what's going on, what's happening. So I would really appreciate if you subscribe if you click subscribe button. If you like this video, click the like button and make a comment. If you have some questions, if you have some comments, if you have some projects that you want me to cover, just leave a comment down below. I'm answering all the comments. So if you have a question, you're 100% sure I'm gonna answer your question, answer your comment. Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate your attention. If you get to this point, I really appreciate it. And see you tomorrow. See you with next videos. Bye.